You can fall for anything.
Whoa.
Like you throw this bone, go fetch.
Like your braids. Drop a follow button and shake them.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
I caught a fish!
Yo,
Yo, what do
what's
you
up,
want?
my dude? Hey, don't be startled, my man. It's all cool in the ocean. I'm just a fish too, man. But what I'm trying to get at is, there's this guy earlier that caught a fish and took it from me. I had to kill the guy. But what I'm trying to get to is here is, can you please give me that fish back? Because I'm kind of starving here, and you kind of took it from me.
Yeah, you can have it.
Gee, thanks, man. See, you get it, man. I didn't have to kill you. You know, you can just understand the motion of the ocean. You can just keep swimming. You understand fish are friends, not food. Can I shake your hand?
Yeah. Should I do it now?
What?
Should I do it now?
I don't care, bro. You try to recreate it.
You got it the wrong way round. It's the wrong way round.
Oh, you're cooked, you're cooked.
The roles are reversed. You're banned, you're banned, you're banned, you're banned.
What the fuck?
Bro, why you
I have
banning?
the
Oh, you gave me so fun. So he was next to you.
Huh? What's up, dweeb? Yeah, fight me, dweeb. Yeah, good job. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
Here, right here. All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry.
In a minute!
I gave you a community coin.
Chill, bro. I got you. I got you.
Give him.
I said give it back, bro. Give it back. Oh, don't you dare. Oh, ha ha ha. You think just because you throw away my instrument that I can't make that sound?
Let's go. Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro. Give that back. Yo, what are you doing? Bro.
I'm gonna kill you.
No,
I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Yup, I'm gonna kill you.
Get back.
Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did. Don't let me go. Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Green light. Go, see how we go, red light.
Stop! I played these games before! If you move, you won't be shot! There's guns in the wall! Do not move!
Hey. Now you're out, right?
Alright, that's it. Time to die. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really?
Blah 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 blah. Bang bang bang. Blah.
Oh, really?
Your table, sir! Oh, thank you so much! Wow, there sure are a lot of ghosts here.
I hope I don't get reported to the Discord.
Ooh, ooh, wish I, ooh, 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 wish I, knew, ooh, wish I knew.
3, 2, 1, and.
Scam.
The tiny backpack? You want the tiny backpack? I do a boo.
Time for bed. Yo, what the? Yo, dude, what's good? I'm dreaming, aren't I?
There are bugs under your skin.
Hey man, take care, man. Hell nah. The cops right there, man. Damn! Oh my god!
Nah, we're beating his ass for sure.
I caught a fish.
Yo,
Yo, what do you
what's up,
want?
my dude? Hey, don't be startled, my man. It's all cool in the ocean. I'm just a fish too, man. But what I'm trying to get at is, there's this guy earlier that caught a fish and took it from me. I had to kill the guy. But what I'm trying to get to is here is, can you put that back? Because I'm kind of starving here, and you got this.
Yeah, you can have it.
Jay, thanks, man. See, you get it, man. I didn't have to kill you. You know, you can just understand the motion of the ocean.
Yo, Fresh, I bet you cannot jump over this in one clear jump.
Bet.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, you won't. You should do it. Yeah, you won't. Yeah, you won't. Boy, you suck.
You can't do it, bro. You gotta do it. Come on.
Big bad. You shouldn't do it, bro. You're gonna miss.
Hey, give it back! Ah! I know you're crushing my shit, Dusty. I just did not just throw my fucking toy down the sewer! Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I need to look for it. Get what I need you to run for it. Yeah.
Hey, you're not gonna kick me, right?
No. This is a good trade, bro. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, can you show me your watch? Like, can you come over here and show me
yeah.
your watch? Bro, selling free ghost!
Wait, free ghost?
Yeah, go for it.
Can I do anything with it?
Yeah, anything you would desire.
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god!
Yeah, come here. Look, you got some presents from Santa Claus. Grab your presents and let's go open them. All right, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Gonna tell by toe. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy. Let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in
I
there.
sound like metal.
Alright, let's see.
Alright. A grenade!
Here we go. Yo!
Open your bags!
Hey, it's me, it's Verity. I got a question. I know about.
Bro, you're not Verity.
Great.
Who is this?
Alright. What's the capital France?
Get out! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut your fucking.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yo, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
Boy, you better turn that shit up right now, boy. I'm gonna crawl back there and beat the fuck. Fuck, I say, boy, I'm gonna crawl. Boy, fuck, turn that shit. Get on the ground! Stop resisting! Alright, son, you wanna be a kid? Hold the damn flashlight! Son, over here! Damn it, son! What are you doing? Hold the flashlight! Son, left! You keep going right! Left! Ah! Alright, son, I'm gonna give it a totally swirly, alright? So pull this lever! You sure? Yeah, I said pull the damn lever, son! Okay. Alright, this is a one-way mission. You mess this up, I die! Alright? I'm gonna go in there. You pull the lever, alright? Alright, I'm going in. Hold on, wait for my signal. Pull the damn lever! I said pull!
I'm feeling tremendous. Now people clap when I finish up a sentence. Now they build a statue to honor my existence. Now I got the president filling up my mentions. I don't need a chauffeur. I ain't had a car since last October. Ever since they gave me a Nobel Prize. I don't drive cause a crowd carries me everywhere on their shoulders. They put my face on $1. I grew a few inches taller. No friends and no job, and I'd sit around with no pants on. Had no dates, got no love, cause I still live with my grandma.
Seen it. Already posted. Seen it. Hi there. My name is Feet VR, and I want to help you. What was that?
I'm reporting you to the Discord!
Tiki, 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 mati tiki, tiki. Tiki, 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 tiki.
Go! I'm going to heaven.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's that noise? It's a little polar bear! Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Let me pet you.
Get out! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh? Oh yeah? Not without the power of love! What do you
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
Hey, give it back! Ah! I know you're crushing my shit, Yoshi. I just did not destroy my fucking
Girl next door living in the haunted mansion.
Better learn my name, cause it's Ash. Any picture.
Get the heck out of it! How did you die?
Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, banana, banana.
2, 1, go.
I say give it back, bro! Give it back! Oh, don't you dare! Oh, ha ha ha! You think just because you throw away my instrument that I can't make that sound?
Does anybody want to play some Squid Games for free bundle prizes?